Well, the presentation is basically an overview of Indonesian IPP. So we talked about the master plan, Indonesian master plan going forward, and what's the energy mix, and also the plan from PLN going forward. We talked a lot about the challenges for new IPPs, how the scheme has changed from before to a much more challenging scheme nowadays, and we also talked about the challenges in FC and construction. Well, major one I think is just so from a business development perspective, it's the change in the appointment scheme. Whereas before it used to be essentially an open tender, now it's a direct appointment scheme, but where the terms are quite onerous, both commercially and financially. So which makes it very very difficult for sponsors to make money essentially. I think, again, as I mentioned, I mentioned in in the panel that I think PLN, which is the local grid, they're basically just trying their luck, if you will. They're trying to push the envelope, which is, I guess, their job. But I think eventually, if they see that this is not working, they will probably relax the terms a bit. So I think that's the opportunity, if you will.
Oh.
So I think we are working in terms of, so we're participating in all sorts of tenders and PQs and all that. So we're still actively looking for projects in Indonesia. Right now we're also focusing on off-grid solutions in Indonesia. So off-grid solar solutions in Indonesia. We can speak a bit more on that when it's official. And also we're actually looking as well for regional power projects.